Can you use boxes as the plural of box?
Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the English language and the way we form plural nouns. Our topic? The word box. So, you might wonder, can we use boxes as the plural form of box? Let's unpack that.
What is plural form?
First, let's refresh our memories on what a plural form is. Plural form refers to the modification of a word to indicate more than one of the referenced concept. In English, the most common way to make a noun plural is by adding an s or s at the end of the word.
Plural of box.
The word box in English follows the standard pluralization rules. When we have more than one box, we say boxes. The s is added because box ends with an x. It's a general rule that words ending in s, x, z, ch, or shish make their plural by adding s. Therefore, yes, boxes is the correct plural form of box.
When to use boxes?
Boxes is used when referring to more than one box. It could be any kind of box, a cardboard box, a jewelry box, a mailbox, and so on. For example, you might say, I have 3 boxes of old photos in my attic, or please bring me those boxes from the storeroom. Language is an integral part of our daily lives, and understanding it helps us communicate effectively. Now, you can confidently use boxes when referring to more than one box. That's one more linguistic mystery solved. We hope you found this useful and enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of words.